In this guide, I'll show you how to download and install the new Minecraft PS5 version. So if you've purchased Minecraft before on the PlayStation Store, you will get this upgrade for free. Now what you want to do is navigate over to the search icon in the top right, and in the search bar, you want to type in a Minecraft. Now, when you search for this, you should see the Minecraft free PS5 upgrade. So go ahead and select that. And then what you want to do is navigate over to the full game free PS5 upgrade. Now, when you do this, it's going to bring you to this download page. So we're going to select download and you want to go to confirm purchase. It's not going to cost you anything, it's free. And then you simply just want to press the download button. And if you come back to the home menu and press the PlayStation button on your controller, go to downloads and you should see your download completing. Now, once it's finished, you will be able to open it up from this app icon here. Then just boot up the game and you're now playing the PS5 version of Minecraft. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.